Okay.
Are you recording the whole thing?
Not the whole thing.
Yes, we didn't miss it, bro.
So you were saying, man, like,
Boom!
optimization process, what?
No, it's here. It's like, for example,
Yes.
the reason why I agree with it is because of this one example. When I do a photo shoot,
Come on, yes.
For a shoot, right? Loading usually
Unleash the fury!
So if I use outside of
someone to pay them more.
Oh, the mini ones.
So understanding this, when they granted the interview,
But considering the world is made up of circles and straight lines,
everything is example that yes, you're giving
to you.
The heart shapes, right?
So yeah, I think so.
Right?
Where?
That is
It's a heart shape.
Upside down heart shape.
If you go and take the word further and use it,
It looks like a McNugget.
SPS has all the right to say, I don't want you to put it there. You want to put it
McDonald's
there,
done their
I'm
marketing
gonna
well.
charge you for it. It is a very capitalistic thing going on there. But SPH has all the rights because it is an SPH personnel.
My video will be very weird. There's like,
They shoot up there and then just, it's like nothing shooting up, they just explode from the air.
whoa.
They're all packed in like
They have all the right to say,
Whoa!
look, I don't want you
The
to
IT belongs to SPH lah. If that's what you're saying lah. Yeah.
So the bastard thing that they did was after they
Not bad.
just decided to take down all the articles. They said,
I remember it having a very large salvo at the end.
there's usually a large
Yeah, like boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, non-stop.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Like, wow!
Correct. Either that or that was New Year's Eve lah.
I give you content, how can I use it? But from a business perspective, you can understand lah.
No, all they needed to do was just argue on the basis of
Yes.
how are you
I'm
proving that
waiting
this is
for more
monetizing your
actually.
business?
With
How was he proved?
There were a lot of shares.
Is that the
Shares
DPM?
on that?
Not shares as in what they posted up, but shared further.
Who's that?
Yeah, correct, but
Oh, you know who's that guy,
Our
Charlene?
president? No,
No, the one that you don't